My name is Deymar Baños Padilla, industrial engineering student at SAT Corozal Sucre, with 134 credit approved. The presentation is made based on the problem 3, the identify the problem of the Airbnb company, where the trunk is the central problem, the root causes, and the through the consequence, which I described below. Course Exotic Management, tutor Carla Natalia Triana, and group 14. The central case and the problem, defamation, with the Airbnb company and the creation of the IPS logo. The, the, the causes, the causes, the negative critic of guests, travel to hotel and the feed alone, inappropriate behaviors, host, bad stays, and the fruits of the consequence, this dissatisfied gas, bad publicity, denial of the brand, travel and feel like home, evidence, the presentation. Thank you.